This week's truck is a 2024 Freightliner Cascadia. This truck comes with a DD15 engine, 505 horsepower, and a DT12 transmission. It only has 180,000 miles. This truck also comes with EW4, TC4, and remaining factory warranty on the transmission and differentials. It does come equipped with leather seats. It'll come with the fridge and a bunk heater. And the price for this truck is $159,950. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call here at Bakersfield Truck Center.